Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback from the previous lesson. If you're here for the first time, we recommend watching the video about the US and Germany before continuing. Now, let's test what you learned. Were the United States and Germany always allies? No, they were enemies during World War I and II. Did the US help rebuild Germany after World War II? Yes, through the Marshall Plan, the US supported Germany's recovery. Is Germany a part of NATO today? Yes, Germany is a key NATO member alongside the US. Did the US send troops to East Germany during the Cold War? No, US troops were stationed in West Germany to defend against the Soviet Union. Is there strong cultural exchange between Germany and the US? Yes, both nations share food, music, ancestry, and traditions. Do Germany and the US work together on climate change? Yes, they often cooperate on global environmental efforts. Was the Marshall Plan only for Germany? No, it helped many European countries, including Germany. Are the US and Germany members of the G7? Yes, both are members of the G7, a group of powerful economies. Has their relationship been completely without conflict? No, they've had disagreements on policies and trade. Do many Americans have German heritage? Yes, millions of Americans trace their roots back to Germany. Watch this video again if you need to, and be sure to subscribe to stay updated on this incredible journey of learning English and discovering American culture. See you in the next adventure.